All right, it is headlight night in the garage. This GMC truck, when we got it, the headlights were pretty bad. I did the best I could with polish, my little polishing pad, and some polish, and I got them pretty good, but man, they're just not clear. I still got that haze. The passenger side is worse than the driver's side. Again, they're not horrible, but you know, it's a pretty good truck, and I would like it to look nicer. So anyway, that's the passenger side. Come over to the driver's. Once you get up to it, you can kind of see the haze there. So, and it does not come off. It's actually in the plastic. So anyway, what I'm going to do, I found this kit on Amazon. Going to try this. Had a lot of reviews, a lot of great reviews. I'm going to unbox it. Let's see what's in it. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so we have these. Step 1. Step 1. Step 1. Step 3. All right, what else we got? All right, so there's an instruction card. This is a QR code for a instructional video. Okay. And in the bag, what's in the bag? Okay, so we got 3000 grit sandpaper, a little sander. Here's step 2. So 3000, 2 of those, a 2000, 2 of those, and gloves. All right. It's one thing you don't want to see at the doctor's office as a male. You don't want to see those gloves come out. All right, so we have step 2, prepare surface. So I am going to read the directions. I'm not going to do this on camera because that'll probably bore you to death, but just looking at what we have, I believe this is going to be surface prep with the whatever's in these bags. There's my dog opening the door. Okay, Ruby, hi. Okay, so my assumption, without reading the directions, start here, sand, and then wipe this on, whatever's in here. So step 1, just reading the directions really quickly. Da, 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 da. Wash headlights thoroughly, put on supplied gloves, using an oxidation remover wipe, which is this. Okay, use that. Step 2. Okay, you're going to sand with step 2, step 3, and it's going to be number 3. So, okay, very good. So I'm going to study this just a little bit more off camera, and we're going to get started. Okay, so I have my materials set up. There are 8 of these step 1s. And I've got my directions back here. Number 1, it says take a photo, a before photo of your headlight. So we've done that. We're going to put the gloves on. And we have our instructions for reference. It says you're going to need clean, dry towels. A couple of those. Spray bottle, got that. So it says to use all of these. You're going to go through all of these and just wipe the whole headlight down. So I'm going to start there. Let's reference the instructions. Rub each headlight in a circular non-scrubbing motion on all areas of the lens. Wipe may turn yellow. Use all of the wipes to ensure your headlights are as clean as possible. Okay. Non-circular. Boy, that's going to be hard to remember for me. So, all right. Non-circular scrubbing motion. Okay, well, I'm going to do my best. Here we go. So I don't know if I should unfold this. Probably. This is what's in the little bag. Nice little cloth. Non-circular. All right, scrubbing motion, non-circular. All right, so let's look at step 1. Oh, it says wipe off immediately if you get it on the paint. Whoops, I didn't do immediately. Wipe off immediately. All right. I got to remember that this is the one I used initially. All right. Okay. So step 1, if you get it on the paint, wipe it off immediately. Don't worry about oxidation when you get some paint. Wipe me, clean it too. Complete both headlights with all of the step 1 wipes before proceeding to step 2. Rinse thoroughly. Okay. After you have completed step 1, remove and discard the gloves. I'm going to go ahead and discard that one because I've got that stuff on it. Now, if you're outside and you have a water hose, you can just use a water hose. I think that is rinsed thoroughly. What do you think? Let's grab some paper towels. My paint's not peeling, so I didn't do anything there. That's good. Okie dokie. So, how does it look at this point? About the same. But they're clean, right? We cleaned them. All right, so step 2. Where's my directions? I'm bad about running off with things. Oh, did I throw them away? Oh, I did. They're in the trash. All right, so step 2. Fasten the burgundy disc 2000 grit to the surface prep pad. Make sure you don't sand the paint. Wet the headlight lens. Scrub the entire lens in a uniform, non-circular motion for about 2 to 3 minutes. Be sure to keep the lens wet during this time. Surface prep pad. Fasten the green disc. So you're going to do the same thing with the green. rinse again. Okay. So let's do that. It says you also may need to use one of these loosely to get into the tight areas, which we'll need to do. Okay. Non-circular. Now the next thing I have to do after this, this really needs headlight bulbs. This still has the original type bulbs and they're super dim, like super dim. They're awful. So I am currently on the hunt for headlight bulbs. It's feeling smooth, smoother than it was for sure. All right. My arm is tired. All right, so let's dry this off. I believe I'm going to have to get some air and just kind of blow this area off just to make sure we're dry. Let's have a look. Definitely looks smoother. I mean, it feels smoother. I shouldn't say it looks smoother. It feels smoother. That's where we're at. All right, so I'm going to grab the air hose, blow this area off, and maybe do a little more drying. Then we're going to move to step 3. All right, so to recap what I just did here, if you have an air compressor and just something to blow air just in the cracks and crevices all the way down through, especially under here. All right, if you don't have an air compressor, maybe you have a leaf blower and you can just hit the whole area as long as it takes. You got to make sure everything's dry. The surface of the headlight needs to be dry. The area around it needs to be dry because according to the directions, number 3 is not compatible with water and you'll damage your lens. All right, so I'm going to get number 3 set up and off we'll go. Okay, so very important for step 3, it says put on the second pair of gloves, moving horizontally from top to bottom. So horizontally, top to bottom, you're going to wipe this single direction, 50% overlapping technique. Only apply a single coat. Has to dry for a minimum of 60 minutes before driving. All right, so let's get the second glove on. Let's see if I can master this 50% overlap horizontal movement. Horizontal movement. This hurts my brain. 50% overlapping technique, single coat, horizontally top to bottom. Okay. This is the part that if it gets on your paint, Just wipe it off with a clean cloth. All right. Here we go. 50% overlap, single direction. Okay. Well, here we go. So let's wipe. Come over, 50% overlap. Single coat. Down, over, up. Down. This is where it gets tricky because I gotta wad this thing up a little bit to get on this side. And maybe up here. Oh, I missed a spot right there. All right, stop touching it. Okay, I missed a spot there. Let's retouch it. Holy cow. I gotta say. All right, so if it dries, I missed a spot there. Did I miss anything else? Man, that looks really good. Holy cow. All right. I guess I'm done. That was kind of fast. So let's get the camera off of here. And let's move in. Man, I gotta say, that is beautiful. I kind of missed a little spot down through the top, but the hood covers that. That's no big deal. Don't tell anybody. What do you think? I'm pretty impressed. This kit was less than 20 bucks. So, man, that is beautiful. All right, so just to show you the other side, that side was worse. Of course, this is what we still have on the driver's side, is that haze. This makes me want to find a much worse set of headlights to do this on. I think I'm going to. I know where some are, actually. All right, guys and gals, what do you think? Worth an hour's work on both sides. This took me about 30 minutes, roughly, somewhere in there, maybe less. Less than 20 bucks, maybe an hour's of work. And the headlight looks brand new. Oh, on the instructions, the last bit is to make sure you take an after photo and put it on Instagram if you got Instagram and tag them. Okay, so a little bonus footage here. It's the next morning. Everything is nice and dry. Feels super smooth. I did the driver's side last night off camera, as well as the fog lights. So they look brand new. Pretty crazy. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.